Hey, have you ever booked a trip and felt like you got totally ripped off? You know those moments when you find out your friend got the same flight for half the price? It's the worst, right? We've all been there. The truth is, traveling can be expensive, but it doesn't have to drain your bank account. That's what this video is all about. Travel hacks, those little tricks and tips that can save you serious cash on your next adventure. We're talking about getting the best deals on flights, scoring sweet accommodations without breaking the bank, and just generally making your travel budget stretch further. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to traveling smarter and saving money, buckle up and get ready for some serious travel hack knowledge. Let's go! Okay, let's be real. We all know the feeling, right? You're hyped about planning your next big trip, dreaming of exotic beaches and epic adventures, but then, bam, reality hits. Flight prices are through the roof, hotels are charging an arm and a leg, and hidden fees pop up out of nowhere. It's like the travel industry is out to get us, squeezing every penny out of our dreams. But don't lose hope. You can travel on a budget and still have an amazing time. It's all about being smart, resourceful, and maybe a little sneaky. Tons of travel hacks can help you navigate the travel jungle without emptying your wallet. Find creative ways to cut costs, score deals, and make the most of your travel experience. Let's kick things off with finding affordable flights. Airfare can be a budget killer, but it doesn't have to be. Use flight comparison websites to save money. These sites are like personal travel agents finding the best deals. Google Flights, Skyscanner, Kayak, and Momondo are your secret weapons. These websites are a game changer. Compare prices from hundreds of airlines to find the best deal. Experiment with dates, airports, and destinations. Prices can fluctuate, so keep searching. Finding cheap flights is like a game, and these websites are your cheat codes. Alright, now that you've got your flights sorted, let's talk about finding a place to crash. Accommodations can eat up a big chunk of your travel budget if you're not careful, but there's a simple secret to saving money. Book in advance. I know. Sometimes it's tempting to play the waiting game, hoping for last-minute deals. But trust me, when it comes to booking accommodations, procrastination is not your friend. The early bird really does catch the worm in the travel world. The further in advance you book, the better the chances of snagging those sweet discounts. Hotels and rental platforms often offer early bird specials and discounted rates for travelers who plan ahead. Plus, booking in advance gives you more options to choose from. Don't wait until the last minute and risk getting stuck with overpriced subpar accommodations. Plan ahead, book early, and rest easy knowing you've got a great place to stay without breaking the bank. Travel off-peak like a boss. Let's face it, everyone wants to travel during the most popular times of the year. Holidays, school breaks, you know the drill. But here's the thing, those peak seasons come with a hefty price tag. If you're looking to save some serious cash on your travels, consider venturing off the beaten path, time-wise that is. Traveling during the off-peak seasons can be a game changer for your budget. Think about it. Fewer crowds, shorter lines, and most importantly, lower prices on everything from flights to accommodations to activities. It's a win-win situation. Shoulder seasons, those magical periods between peak and off-peak, are also a great option. You'll still find decent weather and fewer crowds, all while enjoying more affordable prices. So embrace the road less traveled, time-wise, and watch your travel budget thank you. Public transportation is your friend. Alright, let's talk about getting around your destination without spending a fortune on taxis or rental cars. Public transportation, my friends, is the way to go. I know what you might be thinking. Crowded buses, confusing train schedules, no thanks. But trust me on this one. Public transportation can be a lifesaver, both for your budget and for experiencing a destination like a local. In many cities around the world, public transportation is efficient, affordable, and a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Hop on a bus, navigate the subway system, or even try a scenic train ride. Not only will you save money on transportation costs, but you'll also get a glimpse into the daily lives of the locals. Plus, using public transportation is a more sustainable way to travel, reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a greener planet. So, ditch the expensive taxis and embrace the adventure of public transportation. Pack light, travel far. Okay, people, let's be real for a second. How many times have you lugged around a massive suitcase full of clothes you never even wore? Yeah, we've all been there. Overpacking is a surefire way to rack up those dreaded baggage fees and make your travel experience more cumbersome than it needs to be. The solution? Pack light, my friends. Packing light is one of the simplest yet most effective travel hacks out there. Not only will it save you money on baggage fees, but it'll also make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. You'll be able to breeze through airports, navigate crowded streets with ease, and won't be stuck struggling with a heavy suitcase. Challenge yourself to pack only the essentials and embrace the freedom that comes with traveling light. Free fun for everyone. Who says traveling has to break the bank? One of the best ways to experience a new destination without spending a dime is to take advantage of all the amazing free activities available. Contrary to popular belief, you don't have to shell out big bucks to have a memorable trip. Many cities offer a plethora of free or budget-friendly activities that are just as enriching and entertaining as their pricier counterparts. Explore local parks, wander through vibrant markets, discover hidden street art, or simply soak up the atmosphere of a new place. Check out local websites, tourism boards, or even ask locals for recommendations on free things to see and do. You'll be amazed at how much you can experience without spending a dime. Unlock the power of travel rewards. All right, frequent flyers and travel enthusiasts, this one's for you. If you're not already using travel reward programs, you're seriously missing out on some incredible savings and perks. Travel reward programs, like airline miles and hotel loyalty programs, are designed to reward you for your loyalty. By accumulating points or miles through your travels, you can unlock free flights, hotel stays, upgrades, and a whole lot more. Sign up for loyalty programs with your favorite airlines, hotel chains, and even credit card providers that offer travel rewards. Pay attention to special promotions, bonus point offers, and use your rewards strategically to maximize your savings. Travel reward programs are like free money for travelers, so start earning those points and unlock a world of travel perks. One of the best parts of traveling is indulging in the local cuisine. But here's the thing, eating out at fancy tourist traps can quickly drain your budget. The key to saving money on food while still enjoying authentic flavors? Eat like a local. Ditch the overpriced tourist restaurants and seek out local eateries, street food stalls, and markets. Not only will you find delicious and affordable meals, but you'll also get a taste of the real local culture. Plus, interacting with locals and trying new foods is all part of the travel adventure. So, ditch the tourist traps, embrace your inner foodie, and savor the flavors of your destination without breaking the bank. Alright, let's talk about a sneaky little travel hack that can save you a bundle on booking flights on weekdays. Weekends are prime time for travel, which means higher demand and, you guessed it, higher prices. But if you're flexible with your travel dates, consider flying out and returning during the week. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are often the cheapest days to fly, while Fridays and Sundays tend to be the most expensive. By simply shifting your travel dates by a day or two, you could score some serious savings on airfare. So, next time you're planning a trip, channel your inner weekday warrior and watch those flight prices plummet. Listen up, travelers, because this is the ultimate travel hack that can unlock incredible savings. Be flexible with your travel dates. I know, we all have those dream vacation dates in mind. But here's the thing, by clinging to those specific dates, you're essentially limiting yourself to whatever prices the airlines and hotels decide to offer. But if you're open to adjusting your travel dates by a few days, a week, or even a month, you're opening up a world of possibilities for finding incredible deals. Use flight and hotel comparison websites to search for a range of dates and see how prices fluctuate. You might be surprised to find that traveling just a week earlier or later can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. So, embrace the art of flexibility, travelers, and watch as the travel deals come rolling in. There you have it, travelers. 10 powerful travel hacks that can revolutionize the way you plan and book your adventures. From mastering flight comparison websites to unlocking the power of travel rewards, these tips can help you save money, stretch your budget further, and experience the world without breaking the bank. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite travel hacks? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below, and let's create a community of savvy travelers, helping each other explore the world on a budget. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels, everyone!